Welcome to High Performance Computing Facility Expansion, Texas Advanced Computing Facility, the University of Texas. This video will cover the construction of the cooling system for the Texas Advanced Computing Facility. This is Varun Reddy, from Texas A&M University. The owner of the project is University of Texas at Austin. The architecture firm for the project is Atkins. And the general contractors for the project are DPR Construction. The project is located at the Research Office Complex, Pickle Research Campus, at the University of Texas at Austin. The area highlighted in red is going to be the construction area. The area highlighted in yellow is for staging and storage. The area highlighted in gray will be for setting up the trailers of the contractors and construction personnel. This is the final three-dimensional model of the project. The purpose of the project is to provide cooling for a supercomputer housed at the Texas Advanced Computing Facility. With 625 watts per square foot, the new supercomputer will be the fifth fastest computer in the world. The project will be housed in an area of about 8,000 square feet. The facility will produce 2,500 tons of cooling for a supercomputer. These are the main features of the project. The central utility plant, this will house chillers, pumps and compressors. Cooling tower, this will be used to cool the water after circulating from the supercomputer. Thermal storage tank, this is used to store 1.2 million gallons of chilled water to cool the facility during peak energy usage times and save energy and cost. Transformer yard, this houses selection switchboards and transformers, which are used to provide power continuously. Now let's take an inside look at the central utility plant and the MEP. This is the electrical room. The construction of pairs for the central utility plant and transformer yard will start simultaneously with the cooling tower. The pairs for the cooling tower are constructed so that no adjacent pair in 5 diameter distance is constructed within 5 days of one pier. Next, the underground piping and an MEP will be done. After the pairs are constructed, grade beams are constructed simultaneously for the central utility plant and transformer yard with the chiller plant. After the grade beams are constructed, slabs will be constructed. First, the CMU walls will be constructed. The walls start from the east side and continue in 2 directions simultaneously. After curing of the CMU walls, scaffolding will be set up and masonry walls will be constructed. After each masonry wall construction, scaffolding will be dismantled and used for the next wall. Steel columns will be erected in the central utility plant. Simultaneously, RCC columns will be constructed for the cooling tower. After the columns are constructed, steel beams will be placed. After the beams are placed, roof will be constructed. Assembling of the cooling tower starts and proceeds till the whole of MEP is completed. First, the plumbing will be done for the project, followed by the electrical and the central utility plant. Next, the transformer yard electrical will be set up. Next, the mechanical for the central utility plant will start, and simultaneously the thermal storage tank will be constructed. And finally, the transformer yard mechanical. The CMU walls will be constructed first, followed by the masonry walls. The transformer yard walls are constructed last to maintain the accessibility to the road for the construction activity. The doors will be set up, followed by the windows, and finally the roll-down shutter doors will be placed. The pavement and parking will be constructed, and simultaneously the vertical drains will be set up, followed by the ladder.